So hi friends, this is Amit and in this video I will talk about the most important topic related to BIT Triple E Counseling 2021. That is particularly I will focus on three topics, that is branch versus campus, whether you should go for the branch priority or you should go for the campus priority. And the next point will be CSE versus CSE specialization. Many students ask me that please make a comparison video for CSE and CSE specialization, whether you should go for computer science core branch or you can take the computer science specialization branch also, that is data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning and many other also are present. So if you are first to my channel, please try to subscribe the channel because I will provide you all the information about BIT Triple E counseling and other counseling also, so that you can do your counseling in a better way. So try to subscribe this channel and share this video to your friends so that they can also take the good decision for themselves. But before starting this video, I would like to inform you that I have already made the video, that is category 1, 2, 3 cutoff for VIT Vellore campus and Chennai campus, and I have already made the video that is branch wise placement record of VIT Vellore and branch wise placement record of VIT Chennai campus, and you can check all those video that I have uploaded in the I button as well as in the description box. You will get the link. So let's start the video. So here is the main question that every student is asking now, because this is the first or second counseling in which major admission of BTech will take place. So a student have the thinking that they can get good college also later this year because many counseling are left. So should they choose the VIT college now or not? So through this video I would like to provide a better solution for this question so that you can all take the right decision for yourself. So the first point is, first of all, look at your economy. If you are economically strong, then only think for this college, because you have so much counseling left. If your economy is so strong, then you can go for this college, because VIT Vellore is all about the high fee structure, and of course you will get the outcome because the placement of VIT is very good. So the next point is then confidence in your preparation. If you have so much confidence in your preparation that I have got 95 or 96 percentile in JE and next I can get up to 98 99, then you can skip this VIT counseling, because you can get an IT college with good branch also if your preparation is good. But if you are not so confident about your preparation and your economy is good, then I will suggest choose VIT, because if you wait for the another counseling, I don't think you will get, because if your confidence in your preparation is not good, I don't think you can get good score in other counseling also. So try to get into the VITs if possible with your economy. So the next point is check all the possibility, then take the decision. That is the above two possibilities, whether you are economically stronger and whether your confidence is low or average. Particularly the dropper student, if you have dropped and you don't get a good score in the JE, then I don't think you can get in the next two attempt also. So try to join the VIT. That will help you, that will save your time also. So next point is, if not sure about the branch, then try to get take branch, otherwise skip, because many students now I have seen that they are not sure about the branch. They think that any branch that are possible for my rank I will get. I would like to suggest those students go for the tech branch, because tech branch will give you the better placement after your BTech, because I am sure if you are joining VIT, then your first goal is to get a good placement, because you are investing so much money. So if you go to the core branch, that is mechanical, chemical, and your interest is not in that, so I don't think you can get good placement. And you can check the placement record of each branch also. I have made the video, you can check that video in I button as well as in the description box. At this point I would like to inform you about one thing, that if you have any type of problem with your counseling, then we can help you. We have a team who will do the counseling on behalf of you. Pay a nominal fee of 500 to 1000, and you will your work will be done until you get the admission. And suppose if you don't take the admission after getting the seat in VIT due to any problem, then the team will help you in other counseling also, that they will guide you for other counseling also, which is best for you. Try to contact me through Instagram and WhatsApp so that we can help you. And if there is a problem only, otherwise you can do your counseling by yourself also. So the next point is, if you are very sure about your interest, then only go for the category 4 and 5. Suppose many students got above 50,000 rank and they want CSE because they have the interest. So if your economy is good, then you can go for the category 4 5, no matter, you will get the placement, will overcome those investment that will do in the 4 years. So don't worry about that. If you are very sure about the your interest, it is I need the CS branch, or I need the AC branch, or I need any other branches, if you are very sure, then go for the category 4 5. Otherwise I will not suggest, because if you are paying so much money, you can get any good college, because there are so many private colleges in India who take so much money, and they provide the good placement also. So the next point and the last point is, try to get tech branch in Vellore or Chennai, otherwise skip if possible, because the tech branch of Vellore and Chennai is famous for the placement. So if you get it by any category, that is category 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, according to your rank and according to your economy. So try to get into Vellore and Chennai, otherwise you can skip this counseling, because you have so much time for this year admission, and you have so much time for us, you have so much counseling also left, that is JOSA counseling, WBJE, via Comet K counseling. So all those counseling can provide you a good college also. So this is all about the question, should you choose VIT or not. I hope I have answered your question in a right manner. So if you have any type of further doubt related to the VIT counseling, you can ask in the comment section, or you can join the Instagram and WhatsApp group also, so that you can talk to me directly and ask your questions. So thanks for watching this video. Try to subscribe the channel and share this video to your friends, so that they can also get this information. Thanks.